Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm Samina Akhter. I'm assistant teacher of English from National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English first paper class for the students of class 8. So our topic is today from your EFT book. Okay, it is from your EFT book, Unit 3, Lesson 1, 3 and 4. This topic is from your term half yearly, and this is lecture number 4, example number 3. Okay, so let's see the pages of your book. This is the lesson 1 from unit 3. Okay, the keywords here are disease, essential, concentrate and possession. Okay, so let's read the text first. Okay, so health is the condition of our body and mind. It may be good or bad. Good health means healthy food, healthy body, free from diseases. It is essential for everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate on any activity in our life. Okay, so it says in this para that health is the condition of our body and mind. It may be good or bad, and it is very important to keep our body healthy and free from diseases, and it is also essential, good health is also essential for everyone to lead a happy life. Okay, because if we are not healthy, we cannot put our mind to anything in our life. So here see, a proverb goes, health is wealth. It means health is equally valuable as gold or any other personal possessions. We may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. Okay, that means if we are not healthy, even if we have many wealth, if we are very wealthy, we cannot enjoy them properly because we are not healthy. Okay, so health is equally valuable as properties. Okay, valuable property. So let's see the rest of the text. To keep ourselves healthy, we have to do certain things. We have to take a balanced diet. We must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So we should not keep late hours. We should go to bed early at night and rise early in the morning. Peace of mind is another condition for good health. So we must not worry over small things of life. Okay, so here are some rules of health in this para. It says that you have to eat well. That means you have to eat a balanced diet to keep healthy, and you have to exercise regularly. Okay, if you do not exercise, you will not be fit for work. Then another important rule is presented here with a saying, that is early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, that means you have to wake up early and go to bed also early. Okay, and last but not the least, you have to have the peace of mind. Okay, too much worry is very bad for health. Okay, there are some, choose the correct answer here. We are going to choose the correct answer in these questions. Number 1, health means the condition of our body and mind. The correct answer is C, our body and mind. Number 2, a healthy person is one who is physically and mentally sound. Okay, so the answer is here A, is physically and mentally sound. Number 3, we need to eat balanced food. Okay, the answer is balanced food. Number 4, the phrase to keep late hours means to go to bed late. Okay, to keep late hours means to go to bed late or to sleep late. Okay, so let's see the next page. Is here we have lesson 3. It is about hygiene. Okay, the keywords are hygiene, godliness, achieve, spiritually, soul. Okay, so we are going to learn the meanings while we are going to read the text. The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplaces clean. It is important for our good health. So the definition of hygiene is given here. That means you have to keep yourselves and your home and workplaces clean to maintain hygiene. Okay, hygiene is thought to be next to godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally or spiritually if we are unclean in our body, mind and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either, so we must follow the rules of hygiene. Okay, so it means that hygiene is next to godliness. That means godliness is actually means the quality of being religious. Okay, so it is part of being religious. Then it is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally or spiritually. Okay, spiritual means that is related with soul. Okay, spiritually, mentally or physically, if we are unclean, we will not have we will not anything, we will not achieve anything. Okay, so we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash our hair regularly. This will keep our body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give off bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It is also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day after breakfast and supper. We must also cut our nails regularly. Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our surroundings and environment clean. If we do not follow all the above things properly, we will be able to, if we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. Okay, so in this para, we are given some rules of hygiene. Okay, so to keep our to maintain hygiene, we must keep our body clean. We must have a bath every day and wash our hair regularly. Okay, that will keep our body and hair free from bacteria. And then we have to wash our clothes regularly also, because if we keep them dirty, it will be infested with germs. Okay, then also socks and shoes will protect our feet from dust and germs. Okay, and the most important thing is to wash our hand before meals and after using the toilet. And nowadays we should wash our hands frequently, right? So we should also brush our teeth properly twice a day, and also we should trim our nails regularly. And another important thing is to drink safe water. Okay, because water is very important. So these are the rules of health in the lesson 3, hygiene. Okay, now let's see, dear students, here are some true and false. We can answer the if the statements are true or false. Look, number 1, cleanliness is a part of good health. Okay, so it is true, right? So it is true. Number 2, cleanliness is very important for mental health. So it is also true. Then we need to wear socks and shoes to look smart. Is it true? No, it is not true, it is false. We should wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dirt and germs. So it is false. Number 4, we need to brush our teeth before meals. It is also false. We need to brush our teeth after meals, okay, after supper and breakfast. Then 5, we must keep ourselves clean. It is true. Then 6, we can have pure drinking water from tube wells. So tube wells do not always give pure waters. There can be arsenic. So we must filter it or boil it before drinking. So it is also false. So let's see last lesson, lesson 4. A dialogue is here given. Let's see the text. Ravi's father, Mr. Zahir Ali, is not well. He has difficulty in speaking. He is now at the doctor's clinic. So let's see the conversation here. Ravi says, "Good evening, doctor." Doctor says, "Good evening. How are you? How is your father today?" Ravi says, "Not at all well. He has difficulty in breathing as before. He is having severe chest pain again." Let's see. Doctor says, "I see. Mr. Ali, could you lie down on the examination table, please?" Okay, let's see. "Do you feel any pain here?" And Mr. Zahir makes a sound like "oof." Okay, then doctor says, and here Zahir replies with a sound like "ouch." Then doctor says, "All right, I'm prescribing a medicine. Take one tablet in the morning and another at night before meals. I also advise you to have a chest x-ray immediately. If possible, show me the x-ray report today in the evening." Okay, Ravi says, "Okay doctor, thank you." Then doctor says, "You're welcome." So in this dialogue you can say that Ravi is here in the clinic, in the doctor's clinic with his father, and while the doctor is examining his father's, Ravi's father is in serious pain. That is why he cannot make any answer. He cannot reply to the doctor. Okay, and then finally the doctor prescribes him medicines and gives him tests. Okay, so dear students, you have to do some ASWs here. This C number is your ASW. Okay, this answered the questions. Okay. So I have written here D, it will be C. Okay, so dear students, do this C number ASW. So this is it for today's lesson. I hope you have understood the lessons properly. So see you in the next class.